I haven't done a video for gaming in a while, so I decided I would do a little bit of recording with some space engineers, since I find this game rather fun and exciting. And what I'm taking a look at here at the moment is I have a ship over there hanging out in that asteroid, mining it up automatically. And this is pretty much mining out that asteroid and then coming back and forth, loading up this this station here. There's an ore processing station, not a very big one, pretty tiny one, but something capable of, you know, processing a lot of stuff from an auto miner set up like this. So I didn't write the auto mining script, but I did design this station and that mining ship over there, which pretty soon we should see be fully loaded and heading back, hopefully. Yep. Looks like it just got done mining and it's backing out of its hole. So we should see, yep, there it is. Even though it's just a game, there's still something very magical and fun about watching a spaceship, especially one that you designed, zipping back and forth on its own. Be able to actually watch it from a third-person view doing its own thing. Quite fun. For those curious to know the script I'm using for the auto mining, it's called RDAV's AI Auto Miner script. That is the one that is being ran right now for this automation. Now it's docked up and it's unloading its cargo. Let's check it out. Yep, we can see it's full of stone, and it's kind of slow to unload, but it does the job. If you're in a rush and you want to help it along, you could definitely manually move stuff along a lot faster than the script does. That's fine. No need to be in a rush. Looks like 2 of my cargo containers are already full. Making quick work of it. There's multiple cargo containers on this station though, so plenty of room. Won't take long for it to be fully unloaded. We'll get a nice view of it taking off. Of course, we can remote access this thing at any time. Take a look at what its status is, what it's doing. We can see here that it's going back to mining. I am using a handful of mods on this setup, so this rotary airlock door is one of them. Nice little mod. Kind of a little quick view and tour of the station. You can see we've got a row of some large cargo containers. We've got 4 assemblies with various upgrade modules. We've got a bunch of guns that are shooting for some reason. Oh, look like an enemy ship came through. Got obliterated on its way through. Look at that. And there it goes. Yeah, this is a testing world. It's not a survival world or anything. So I'm just experimenting with this script and with this station and that ship before I actually build both of these in my real survival world. And I am using a lot of mods that have a bunch of extra pirates and enemies and ships, and so I do need to have some pretty good protection to let this run in a survival world. That's enough of me yapping. I'm going to shut up and we're going to watch this ship make its approach and dock. So do a quick tour of the mining ship here. There's not a whole lot to it. We got a bunch of drills, just enough to make a nice wide hole that this thing will fit through, since the script operates these ships in and out straight into the asteroid in a hole and then backs it out perfectly straight. So you have to have it be able to get all the way through in a tunnel. Let's see, we've got, it does require a sensor here, which is used to detect the asteroid. There's a remote control block, which is necessary. We have a programming block, which actually runs the script. So this has the actual mining script running in it. It's unloading right now. It's going to tell you what's going on. Check out the code, do whatever. We do have a shield mod, so this is our shield mod, these 2 blocks on either side here. And then there's just some cargo containers, some thrusters, some gyros, an antenna, a little bit of protection, nothing too special. This ship is not designed for looks. This is really straight up functional. I am going to clean this up so this doesn't look quite so atrocious. I found out that for this script to run well, you need a good amount of thrust to for it to work properly, so I couldn't get away with tiny thrusters. I had to put some bigger ones on. And that's my shield. For some reason there's this bug where when you have creative mode on and you come in and out of the shield, sometimes it blows things up for some reason. Doesn't hurt the ship, it's just a weird bug in that mod. But yeah, that's just a fun little look at this. I wanted to show it off because it was just too much fun to watch. I guess closing out, we'll take a ride on this thing as it doesn't mind anymore. Oh, perfect timing too. Yeah, I don't recommend setting this up, by the way, near an asteroid with a whole bunch of little asteroids like this, unless you set it up properly to maneuver in and out of the area. Because as you can see, it will bump things if it isn't set up for its approach well, which is the case here.